Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of adding custom fonts to Davinci Resolve. It's a simple and creative way to enhance your video project, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Type in thefont.com and hit enter. Once on the site, explore various fonts. For this demonstration, I'll use Michelle. Click on it and then hit the download button. Once the download is complete, open the file and you'll see a preview of the font. Click on the font file and you'll get a preview. Click Install to add it to your system. And now, the font is available not only in Davinci Resolve but also in other programs like CapCut, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and many more. Let's move to Davinci Resolve. Open the software and navigate to the text panel on the right side. Click on Font and find the newly installed font. Select it and there you go. You've successfully added a custom font to Davinci Resolve. And that's it. Now you can unleash your creativity with a variety of fonts in your video editing projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.